Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix unable to install app. Please try again later on iPhone after update iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Select always require. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on screen time. On the screen time page, scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction. On the restriction page, tap iTunes and App Store purchases. Select always require. Method number 2. Check iPhone storage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap iPhone storage. On the iPhone storage page, check iPhone storage and delete unused app. Method number 3. Turn on location services. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on privacy and security. On the privacy page, tap location services. Turn on location services. Method number 4. Change app store setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap App Store. On the App Store page, scroll down, turn on apps downloads. Turn on apps updates and turn on automatic downloads. Thanks for watching this video.